can decide their fate.
Imran Khan does still enjoy huge popular support. He tweeted a day ago the following, starting with "Never have such crowds come out so spontaneously and in such numbers in our history, rejecting the imported government led by crooks." Those protests, he claims, are against a US-backed regime change. He is right to point out there were massive protests, demonstrations of support. That tweet alone garnered 7.2 million views. What are your thoughts on his belief that his ouster is all part of a US orchestrated...
As far as his support is concerned, of course, little fascists all over the world enjoy their cult following, but that does not mean that the majority of Pakistan should be dictated to by these fascist regimes.
Okay, but let's be quite clear, though. He does retain enormous popular support. Okay, but let's be quite clear, though. He does retain enormous popular support. Okay, but let's be quite clear, though. He does retain enormous popular support.